Alright, I finally got to do a video about some facts of a plane. Finally, Aviation Bledsoe. The nickname stands out. Alright, so what we have here is the Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. The Boeing 787 took its first flight in 2009, and you can see the beauty of the 787 is those flex wings. The reason the wings flex is because it's made out of special carbon material. That's why. And you can see this condensation here. Boeing 787 is powered by the Rolls-Royce Trent 1000 or the General Electric GEnx. And it's pretty unique too. Alright, short video out.